What's up, YouTube? Just got something new in for the charger. Basically going to be replacing this silver. I don't really have any silver trim on the car. What I'm replacing it with is carbon fiber. Instead of getting it painted, I found something on Amazon where I can just like a sticker just goes over it. I'll show you what I got right here. Here's from Reflective Concepts. Right here, you can pause it to get the directions off of it if you need so. I'll put a link in the description below. Depending on, so you guys, in case you like them, you can order them for yourself. But yeah, here they are right here. Seems like a simple process, but we'll get to it and I'll put them on. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, I already cleaned the whole car, but basically you want to get some alcohol and wipe off to make sure there's no dirt or any residue or anything on there so it sticks better. Okay, let that dry. Get the sticker ready. Here it is right here. This is the carbon fiber print. Wait for that to dry up. Alright. Do that from here. That. Alright, so I'm just rubbing it on. Make sure it's extra sticky. I think I got something I can use that. I'll start peeling slowly. I gotta get that one on here. Oh, okay. So I need to find a point to where it's stuck on here. Here it is. There it is. Alright, what do you guys think so far? I also got these for the front and rear. So let me get set up. I'll move around the front real quick. Let's get that out the way. Alright. Alright guys, now I'm on to the back. Cool. Now, for the catch. If I can get out the package. The mouth area is hard to get it to stick. Done. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take a ride and I'll show you guys outside what it looks like outside. Alright. Alright guys, outside. I think it looks way better outside. Looking at it again, got rid of the chrome in the front. It blends in a lot better. You still see a little bit of silver, might adjust that a little bit. See up close. So it's not an exact fit, but it does look way better. It looks meaner in the front. Look at that. The side. The side looks better. Like when you approach the, when you're coming towards the side of the front, you can definitely still see the silver. I mean, it's not a complete change, but you can see the side. You can see the carbon fiber. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Now it looks like the old Hellcat symbol before it was 3D. I mean, it looks cool. One thing I do have to change. I have to change out. Here's the back. I'm gonna have to change that. That's an Azor. So I have to take that off the back. And also, I'll show you guys what else I added. Added that. The track light. See how it's like checkered. Added that. First mine was the 5-inch tips with the mid muffler delete. Got a carbon dipped rear diffuser. LED side markers. Got the Hellcat symbol up top. The vinyl sticker. Of course, like I said, added that in the front. It looks so much cleaner. I think so. Man, this car looks so sick in person. One more thing, it just needs. Man, that looks so hard. One thing, it just needs to be lowered. I need to lower it, but I'm just so scared, like scared to lower it because in my front I have like a something like this over here, but it's like it's actually higher than this, and like it dips up. So we're like I can't pull forward in my driveway. I have to back in just to get up the driveway now, and it already scrapes the bottom, scrapes this part underneath there. That scrapes. I mean, that's what it's for, but I mean, I assume if I lower it, it's gonna get a little lower in front. The front is fine. I think the ride height in the front is just the rear I don't like. And also, I want better handling because I like to go around the turns. I know this thing ain't meant for turns, but I like to go around the turns, so I think lowering it might be the next thing. Oh yeah, to go with the carbon dipped mirror covers, door handles, and also in the interior, all that's gloss carbon dipped. That and I'm gonna go around the driver's side real quick, show you. There was some right there. Added those down here. In my other video, I had to fix those. They don't last that long, so if you guys thinking about getting those, if you have Hellraisin or Plum Crazy Purple, I got them from eBay, but they're good when you first get them. It's just that they don't last that long. And I also changed the gauges right there. So that's pretty much it. That's all the changes I got so far. Like I said, mid muffler delete, and also wrap the gas tank. I wrapped this gloss carbon. Next thing, I think I might do the roof in gloss carbon, and that'll be it with the carbon fiber stuff. I think it might be a little too much. After that, it might be a little too much. So, alright, I'm gonna go on the front again and show you guys. It looks meaner. Yeah, so alright, comment below, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks good. Alright, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. And like I said, let me know what you think at the bottom in the comment section. Alright, peace.